Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Windows 11 look like macOS 2024. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Firstly, let's make sure the Windows taskbar is disappearing. To do this, go to the Settings, Personalization, then Taskbar, then find the taskbar behavior drop-down menu, then click on it. Now, you want to make sure the automatically hidden taskbar is enabled. Now, if you want to stay on your wallpaper, that would be fine. So now, I use this wallpaper. You can also use this on the link in the description below. Then now, download Rainmeter to your PC. Now access the third link, hit on the download button. Now let's go to the default download folder, then choose your language, then hit OK. Now minimize the folder, then click on Finish. Then remove all the widget. Right-click on the welcome, then go to Variants, then hit the info with the dot. Now, let's go on the clock, go to Variants, then hit the info with a dot. Now same goes to the other. Remove all those remaining widgets. Now, right-click on the screen, then go to View, then choose Show Desktop Icons. Now go back to the Downloads folder. Once there, click on the file, and click on the Extract All. Then hit on Extract, and just wait for a moment. Now, it will open another tab. Then, click on the folder to open it. Now, choose these two folders, then click on Copy. Now, open Folder tab, then go to Documents, find the Rainmeter, click on it, then access the skin, and paste the copied files here. Now, minimize these folders. Then, on the Show Hidden Icons, click on the Rainmeter. If the two files doesn't appear, click on Refresh All. Then, on the Mac menu, let's choose the taskbar, click on it, then hit on Load. Then, let's go to the menu, and load the file. Then go to the dock, and load the dock. And that's how to make Windows 11 look like macOS 2024. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.